And the boys unleash hell when the war's on. Bloodthirsty when the doors put they paws on. You can tell them that they throw a little bit of claws on. Put them on the battlefield for they quick. And ignorant niggas just tryna miss what I said, The man just bitch and put a mouse on him. Get a wild nigga throwing red dots on him. I'm the general, I can be worse off than my soldiers is ready to put a black house on him. Bring him to the wake, break him with a requiem and throw him in the pit and throw a little bit